Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to subscribe to iQIYI VIP. If you are looking for a way to subscribe to iQIYI VIP, then follow through the steps. First of all, open up your iQIYI application on your mobile device. Log into your account if necessary, and once you are logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now, select the Subscribe to VIP button, which appears right under your username at the top. After you do that, choose your VIP plan from Standard to Premium, and then you can also select monthly or yearly subscription depending upon your need. Once you are done choosing, tap on the Join Now button at the bottom. Confirm your payment and also make sure to select your payment method that can be Google Play, Apple Pay, or other options. Follow through the on-screen instruction and confirm the payment and enjoy your VIP benefits. Once you've subscribed to iQIYI VIP, a new world of entertainment opens up. You will be able to stream with no more ads, get early access to trending dramas, and find the best video quality for your stream. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.